Oh, and I think we're gonna end up going and eating at this place called, oh man, I'm probably gonna get it wrong, but if I get it wrong, I'll put it up here on the screen. Twisted Grilled Cheese, I think is the name of the restaurant. And I've followed them on Instagram, and they're here in Houston off of Washington. And supposedly, man, they do some killer grilled cheese sandwiches, right? But with all kinds of different, not, you know, it's just not your typical grilled cheese, but it's with all different types of fillings and everything, man. Oh my gosh. I am so stoked to go there. I think me and the brother-in-law are going today after we get done doing some riding. So we're gonna go check that out, and that'll be another video. What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. Me and my brother-in-law Gabriel are actually on our way to Twisted Grilled Cheese, and so we're gonna go check this restaurant out. There was one over off of Washington, but we are actually in the Katy area, and supposedly there's one right down the road here in Katy. So we're gonna go check it out and see what they're all about, man. I follow them on Instagram, and the pictures on Instagram, their food looks amazing. So we're gonna go see what it's all about. So yeah, today we actually came out, man. We've been riding all day long, and the plan was to do some riding and then go check out this restaurant. I knew they had one over here in Katy area, but I thought it was just a food truck. But on Google Maps, it actually looks like a restaurant. So we're gonna go see if it's a restaurant or a food truck. And if it's a food truck, we may end up going to the one on Washington instead. But yeah, the Instagram pictures, like I said, their menu, it's a twist, like the name says, Twisted Grilled Cheese. It's a twist on the grilled cheese sandwich, man. So I'm stoked to try it because they had all kinds of good stuff. Looked so good. So I guess we'll see you when we get there. See you. All right, Kim folks, so this one ended up being a food truck. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go to the one on Washington instead. So we're gonna head over there and get that one, and that way we can actually go inside and look at the menu, and I can show you all the restaurant and all that good stuff. So let's go. All right, Twisted Grilled Cheese, kinfolk. I see it right there.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
Boom, baby. Let's get in here.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh man, there's some people off in there too. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and get off the bike and get inside. See you inside. We're inside here at Twisted Grill, and we're about to check out what they got and see what we're gonna order. So as soon as we get it out here, we'll show you what it's all about, man. All right, kinfolk, so we just put in our order, man, and I ended up getting a smokehouse brisket. Of grilled cheese, and then Gabriel got the Philly cheesesteak. We also got a side of the Philly steak fries. So we're gonna try that as well. And then I got the twisted tea, which is I guess the signature tea they said. So I'm gonna give that a go. But yeah, man, as soon as they come out with it, we'll show you what it looks like. All right, folks, so I got their signature tea. Man, so good. It's kind of what, like mint leaves, I think, in it. It's a sweet tea. Really, really good, man. Very good. It's even got a cherry in it. Folks, check this out, man. So this one is the brisket and the steak fries, and then Gabriel had the Philly cheesesteak one. So let me open this up and show you what it looks like. Okay, look at that. Dude, that looks so good. Dude, that is so good. Let's see Gabriel's. Oh man. Look at all that cheese in there, bro. Give it a go. It is toasted amazing. But the brisket, it's got, I think, jalapenos. Let me see. Pickled jalapenos, onion ring, white American, Vermont white cheddar. That's what it has in it, man. So good. Now let's try these fries, Gabriel. It's not bad. The steak's like doesn't have a lot of seasoning though. That one's okay. But these sandwiches though, man, holy cow. So good. I can't stop saying it. Listen, you wanna try some good grilled cheese, man, with the twist on them, definitely come to the spot. I'm gonna get Gabriel to try half of this one over here. Get his thoughts on that one. Okay. I gave Gabriel a piece of that one. So whenever he gets on it, I'll get his thoughts on it. He gave me a piece of his. I'm gonna try this one. Oh, dude. The cheese is in there. Look at that. Oh, so cheesy. Dude, this one's really good too. Nice, eh? Good. Yeah. I'm telling you, kinfolk, the brisket's really good. The brisket is not dry. Got good flavor. And that tea is legit. All right, man. We're gonna continue on, so I'll get back with y'all when we get done. All right, kinfolk, let me tell you something, man. Those grilled cheeses were freaking amazing. You should definitely come out and try them because they were so good, man. The fries were okay, but I definitely want to come back and try the other fries, the barbecue fries. They also had some mac and cheese balls, man. Those things looked like they were pretty delicious. So, but as far as the sandwiches themselves, the grilled cheese, man, so good. So good, right, Gabriel? Oh, yeah. Would you definitely come back? Oh, yeah. Definitely come back, man. Tea too, man, was really good. So if you're ever out this way, or even in Katy at the food truck, man, stop by and give them a try because you won't be disappointed. So what we're gonna do now is, I think Gabriel's gonna show me a house over here made out of, what's it made out of? Beer cans? Made out of beer cans. So we'll hop back on the bike and I'll show you what that looks like. Oh, there it is right there. Oh shit, okay, let me turn around. So here it is, let's see. And so you do got some cans down at the bottom. Well, it is a bunch of cans. Texas Pride. Let's see here. Beer Can House, created by John Milkovich from 1968 to 88. Permanent site of the Orange Show Center for Visionary Art. That is freaking cool. I don't think I'd ever been over here, dude. Whenever I was with, when Mara was living over here. Dang, look at that. That's crazy, dude. So the whole siding and everything, even the building in the back. Looks like he's got bottles down in that thing there.
Marbles.
Oh yeah.
Marbles throughout.
Dude, that's insane.
Can't even see the front door.
Oh, it's all covered up too, huh? Dang. That is really cool.
All of that used to have bottles
Oh, yeah.
at the back.
Oh,
They're coming off.
I'm coming off of there. Dang. Dude, that is insane. Kinfolk, if you're ever out this way, man, y'all ought to come check it out. That Schaefer beer. You know those are old. Look at that. Pretty freaking cool. Yep, the wind starts blowing, they start making noise, don't they? Hell yeah, that's dope. Thanks, Gabriel. Many times I've been over here, this side, I didn't even know this shit was here. If I did, I don't remember. You can actually come for a tour Saturday and Sunday. Probably not now because of COVID, I guess. Alright, kinfolk, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. It might have been a long one, but I hope you enjoyed it, man. So until next time, like I said, I appreciate every single one of y'all, man. So until next time, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.